You could just be 20 points away from saving tens of thousands of dollars on your mortgage. And most people don't even know it. If your credit score is holding you back from buying a home, let me show you exactly how to fix it. Welcome back to Francisco's Key Insights. I'm Francisco, real estate agent and mortgage loan originator here in Florida. As a lender, I look at credit reports every single day. So I'm going to break this down in a way that actually helps you take action. Because your credit score isn't just a number. It directly impacts your approval, your rate, and how much you pay over time. So before we talk about how to fix your score, you need to understand how lenders actually look at it. Let's clear up a big misconception first. The score you see on apps like Credit Karma, that's usually not the score mortgage lenders use. Most lenders use older FICO models, typically FICO 2, 4, or 5, depending on the loan program. So your app score and your mortgage score can be very different. Lenders pull your credit from all three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and they use the middle score. So if your scores are 700, 720, and 690, the one that matters is the 700. Now, let's be mindful. Every loan program has its own credit score requirements. For example, for an FHA loan, you can have a score as low as 580 and conventional as low as 660. But you always want to be above that because the terms might not be very favorable. And don't forget, you can get your real credit report for free at annualcreditreport.com. Now that you know what score actually matters, let's talk about how to improve it. Because here's the reality. Even a small improvement in your score can make a big difference. I've seen people improve their credit in as little as 30 to 60 days, just by doing a few of these right. So let's break it down. These are 6 things I will focus on first. First, pay down credit card balances. This is one of the fastest ways to boost up your score. Keep your credit cards under 30% of the limit, but under 10% is even better. Number 2, make every payment on time. Your payment history makes up about 35% of your score. So one late payment can hurt you more than you think. So set up auto-pay or reminders and stay consistent. Now, here's one most people don't even know about. Become an authorized user if someone you trust has a credit card with a long history and perfect payments. Ask them to add you as an authorized user. You don't even need to use the card. Their positive history can help boost your score. Now, on the flip side, avoid opening or closing accounts every time you apply for new credit. It creates a hard inquiry, and this is important. Don't open or close accounts right before applying. I've seen this delay deals and cause unnecessary issues. Another one people overlook, dispute errors on your credit report. Mistakes on credit reports are more common than you think. Go to annualcreditreport.com. Review everything carefully and dispute anything that doesn't belong there. And if you're starting from scratch or rebuilding, use a secured card or credit builder loan. These tools help you build positive history. Just keep balances low and payments on time. If you focus on these 6 things, you're already ahead of most buyers. Improving your credit doesn't happen overnight, but these steps can put you in a much stronger position. Better credit means better rates, better options, and a smoother path to home ownership. If you're thinking about buying in the next 6 to 12 months, reach out. I'll help you map out exactly what your credit needs to look like and how to get there. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Francisco's Key Insights, and share with someone working on their credit. And once again, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time.